No. That's not too close?
No. It's not steel, so there's not a ricochet problem there.
Ready?
Go ahead. Lean forward a little into it. Good.
Safety off.
Okay.
Ready to fire.
Fire. Walk up to it. Approach your target.
Am I open? No.
Keep your gun up on the target. Walk slowly. Keep walking slowly. Shoot it. Fire. Safety, muzzle up. Good. Now look at that. See the size of those bullets. You know how much force there is behind it? See what a clean, tight little hole that does?
Yeah.
Bullet 2x4 doesn't move the 2x4. Passes through at 2,600 feet per second. So it does the same thing with car doors. Through the driver's door, through two passengers, and out the other door.
And it doesn't explode.
Right. Right. Now, we have other rounds for this.
See, I was aiming up high. I was aiming higher than that.
So you think it's falling? You think the sight's off?
Maybe. Or maybe I'm just off.
But that's what a high velocity
I was stepped in it.
solid round does. Passes right through things. As opposed to throwing a brick at it. Like, lay that down once.